Hi class 1, welcome back to your abacus class. Hope you all are staying well. And you all have got your book also, right? You have got 1A and B, 2A and B. Now last class I have told you that keep your 2A and 2B separately. We will use it in the second term syllabus. What is your first term syllabus? 1A, 1B. Clear? Now next point. B book. Last class also I said. Today also I am repeating so that you don't get confused. B book you will start doing when I will start teaching you the patterns. Clear? That B book you will use at home. Done? 1A book we will do it in the class. That means I will upload the video, you will solve the patterns. Done? Now you know what? I'll explain you few points about abacus. Abacus is what? In the last class also I said abacus is actually a human calculator, right? So we can calculate numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division very easily, quickly, and in no time we can complete the work. So when you start learning, you also apply this in your mathematics class 2. Okay. Now right now you will learn only how to use the scale, okay, the scale which I have shown you, and how to add the beads. Now these terms you have to make it very familiar with you. Last class I told you abacus, frame, I told you about upper beads, lower beads. I told you which are beads, right? How many rods are there? I have told you 13 rods. I have told you which one is called the answer line, the middle line which is there, that is the answer line. Also I have explained which one is called unit, dot. And you may be asking or thinking why ma'am is only explaining. Why ma'am is only repeating the names? Why not ma'am is showing the scale? You know why? Because I am trying to make you understand the points by visualization. Okay, so you just close your eyes and think of the scale. Keep the scale in your mind. Just think of your scale, the scale which you have. Close your eyes everyone. Think of the scale and just go through what I have taught you in the last class. There was a scale, there is a full frame, outer cover, done. Then what you have seen there, middle there is one full line, black color line. Then there are 13 rods and then beads are there. Lower part you have seen 4 beads, upper part you have seen only 1 bead, right? So I have explained you the names also. Upper part what I said, heaven bead or upper bead, and lower part I said earth bead or lower beads. So in this way, see, I have visualized the whole thing. Okay. Now today I will teach you the values and how to identify the beads. So shall we go? Let's go to the screen. So class 1, this is the abacus scale we can use. Okay. Now this color is different, but you are having a different color. So you just match your scale and this one how I am explaining you. See, from the right side means this rod, we start calculating. Okay, we always start calculation from the right side while adding or subtracting. Now these are all called beads. These are all called beads. Done? Now, this part, these are also called beads. So, you have got a scale which is having red color beads. Done? Now, these lines which you can see, these are called rods. So, you have got black color rods. Done? Now, you can see the beads over here. See these dots which you see this one, this one, this one, this one and this one. What is it called? These are called unit dot. These are called unit dot. Done? Now, I will teach you the values. Now, upper bead, you have already learned what is the meaning of upper bead. These portion, right? These are called upper bead. So, upper bead, we are having one bead. Fine. But, what is the value that we will learn? Okay. Lower bead, we have seen 4 beads. But, what is the value that we will learn? So, each bead, this one, value is what? 1. Again, another bead, this bead, value is what? 1. This one, value is what? 1. This one, value is what? 1. So, whenever these beads will touch this dot, then you will get the answer. So, right now, 4 beads you can see, it is touching the unit dot from the right side. So, the answer is 4. The answer is 4. Clear? So, when you calculate, you have to keep in mind that lower bead is having 4 beads and each bead value is 1. That means this is 1 only. Okay? Again the next one, that is 1. So, 1 plus 1 you are getting 2. Then again if 3 beads you are taking, that means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. Done. Now what about 5, dear children? What about 5? Yes. Guess it. Upper bead we are having 1 bead. Fine. But the value is 5. So this is 5. So whenever you put this down, this is 5. Clear? Whenever you put this down, this is called 5. Done. Now how will you do 5 plus 1? So you will do 5 plus 1. What is the answer? 6. Next. 5 plus 2. What is the answer? 7. Next. 5 plus 3. What is the answer? 8. Next. 5 plus 4. What is the answer? 9. Clear, abacus? Done? Now, I will show you how to draw and what are the beads formation. So, let's go for it. Okay, children. Now, see here. I will draw the scale here nicely. Okay. So, right now, I am drawing the frame. Okay. Just a minute. So, this is the frame, the outer line. Clear? Let me make it more perfect. Just give me 1 minute. Done. So, this is the frame. Clear all? Now, we will draw the rods. So, it's 13 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Done. See, you match it with your scale, it will look the same. Then you have got answer line. So repeat the terms with me. This is the answer line. Done. Now I will change the pen color. We'll take it white. Okay. So I'll give the dots. Which dot? Unit dot. So first rod will have one dot. After that, leave two rods, and in the third rod again leave two rods, and in the third rod again you give the dot. Again leave two rods, in the third rod you give the dot. Again you leave two rods and you give it over here. Done? Now we will draw the beads. We will draw the beads. Let's see. So this is the color I have taken. Now I told you already, class 1, what you will do. See, lower bead is always having 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Done? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. So beads we will draw it in this way. Either oval shape or circle. Clear? So all the rods are having 4 beads in the lower bead. This you have to say, otherwise you are wrong. Okay, class 1? I know class 1 can do it by themselves. Okay, so I have drawn all the beads. See? Done? Now upper bead is having 1 beads. Okay, but value is different. Okay, the value is different. So this is the scale which you have got. Okay, so we have learned that this is called bead. We have learned that this black line, frame. Then we have learned these are called rods. Then we have learned this white dots are called unit dot. These white dots are called what? Unit. I'll write here only, no need to write white. Okay, unit dot. Done. And this line, this black color line is called answer line. Clear? And this is upper bead, this is lower bead. Okay, let's move to the next point. Now, how you will do it in your book? How you will do it in your book? Let's see. See, I have drawn this, right, class 1? Now, see, if I ask you to draw and show me 1, you will draw 1 on the right side rod like this. What is the answer? 1. Clear? Next, if I ask you to show me 2, identify the beads. Okay, so I have drawn 2 beads, written 2. Done? Next, if I ask you to show me 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Done? So write down 4. Okay, but I hope you are making it more clear that where you have to write, you are writing this side. Okay, right side. You are drawing also right side. You are writing the answer also here on the right side, not here. Okay, because this rod I have not taught you yet. Okay, so we will do it this later on. First we will learn this rod. Clear? So if I ask you to draw 6, how will you draw? First you will draw 5, then you will take one more bead. And remember children, see how I am drawing, it should touch this line. Okay, this dot, unit dot, it should touch this unit dot, otherwise your answer is wrong. So you will write 6. Now if I tell you to do or to draw 3, so it's 1, 2, 3. Follow nicely. I have written on the right side. I have drawn the beads touching each other, also touching this unit dot place. Okay, done. So this is the correct answer. But if you draw in this way and you draw 3, but you have done it in this way. This is wrong. This is not 3 because this bead is touching the unit dot, but this one is not touching. Only these two are there. So your answer will be 2, not 3. Clear? If you write 3, then you are wrong. Clear? Class 1 clear? So this is the way the book is giving you to identify the beads. So if this is given, you will write 2. Okay? Next. Now we will do it here. Let's see. Tell me the answers quickly. So we will identify quickly the answers. Okay? Now tell me. What you can see? See lower bead, right? This is lower bead. So lower bead you can see only 2 beads are there. It is touching this line. So answer is 2. Now upper bead, only 1 bead is there. What is the value? 5. So you just write down 5. Simple. Now here upper bead, lower bead both are there. And it is touching the unit dot. So your answer will be count 5. Then you have 1. So 5 plus 1 it is 6. Then again 1. So it's 7. Clear? In this way you have to start identifying the beads. So let's do once again. Tell me this number. It's 1. Done. Tell me this number. It's 2. Done. Tell me this number. It's 3. Done. Okay, now identify this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4, right? Now tell me this one. This is 5, right? Next. Tell me this one. 5, 6, 7. So I have drawn 7 beads, right? Now tell me this one. I have drawn 6, right? 6 beads, 6. Okay? Next. Five, 6, 7, 8. See? Count and write. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you write down 8. Done? This one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what will you write? 9. You have only 9 beads in the first rod. Okay? How many beads are there? Only 9 beads in the first rod. Clear? Because see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? When it is touching the unit dot over here. After that, this is getting joined. 5 is joined now. So 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 3, 8, and 5 plus 4, you will get 9. So from this side, we start calculating. From the right side in the abacus scale, we start calculating. Done? Now I'll tell you how you will solve in your book. So let's go. So class 1, did you all get what you have to do? It's very easy. This is the scale you are using. This is the scale you are using. And this rod, from your right side, this rod you will start calculating. Okay? In your first term syllabus, you are starting with this rod. Okay? So this is the scale. This is the frame. I'm repeating once again. This is the frame. Done? Now these are all beads. Done? Now these are upper bead. These are lower bead. Okay? This is the answer line or unit bar. These are unit dots. Unit dots. And this black color line is rod. Okay? These are called rod. How many rods are there? 13 rods are there. How many? 13 rods are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then what I have taught you? From the right side you will start calculating. So this is your ones place. This rod is your ones place. This is tens place. Then hundreds place. Thousand place. 10,000 place. So in this way it goes on. But now class 1 will learn only ones place. Which place class 1? Only ones place. Clear? So this ones place, what we have learned? The values. We have learned the values. I will show you what you have learned. Now see here. You have learned this is as 1, right? 1, 1, 1, 1. So lower bead, each bead is having only value as 1. Upper bead is having what? Value 5. Value 5. Clear? So in this line or in this rod, ones place rod, how many numbers we are getting? 9 in total. Okay? 0 to 9. Clear? Now I will tell you how to do clear abacus. So let's go for it. So here we go. The final revision of our abacus scale. Okay? So this is the scale, right? Now how will you do clear abacus? I told you, no, I'll show you clear abacus. See, this scale, you will put it like this on a flat surface. You will hold this with your left hand, thumb, ring and little finger. Keep these two fingers free, index and this index and thumb. Okay, index and thumb. Keep it free, right hand. Okay, now I hope you are getting it. Can you see? Keep these two fingers free. Keep this hand in this way. Clear? So if I hold it like this, how will it go? See, with these two fingers, clear abacus. Okay? With these two fingers, clear abacus. I'll show you once again. With these two fingers, you will show clear abacus. When I say clear abacus, that means nothing should touch your answer line. Okay? Then the answer is 0 now. Now your scale is ready. Your scale is ready, class 1. Okay? You are sitting straight. You are holding the scale like this. Posture should be straight. And your fingers, keep the right hand free. Take the pencil, hold it and keep these two fingers free. Index and thumb. Index and thumb. Done. Now clear abacus from your right side, not from this side. This is wrong. From this side. Right side, clear abacus. Clear abacus. Done. Now if I say 1, how will you do 1? Now you will learn this. See, this is thumb. This is index. So to add, you have to use this finger. You have to use this finger. 1. Clear abacus. Done. 2. Clear abacus. Done. 3. Together. Okay. Then clear abacus. 4. Done. Clear abacus. Now you can take single beads also. 1. Clear abacus. Now 2 means 1 plus 1. Clear abacus. 3. 1, 1, 1. Clear abacus. 4. How will you show 4? 1, 1, 1, 1. Clear abacus. Done. Now 5. Now 5 we will use this finger. Upper bead we always use index finger. Upper bead we always use index finger. Okay. 5. Done. Now what will you do? Will you do clear abacus? Done. Okay. Now 6. Use these two fingers and do 6. Done. Clear abacus. Again use these two fingers. 7 together. Done. Clear abacus. Again use this two finger and do 8. Done. Clear abacus. Again use this two finger and do 9. Done. Clear abacus. Okay. So let's revise once again. Hold the scale. Keep the scale on the flat surface. Abacus scale should be kept on a flat surface always. Hold the scale with your left hand, thumb, ring and little finger tightly. Keep these two fingers, middle and index of your left hand straight. This is the posture. Done? Then keep this hand, these two fingers free. These two fingers free. Your index and your thumb. Your index and your thumb. Done? So we start from the right side. We start from the right side. This first rod is your ones place or unit place. First rod, ones place or units place. Okay. So we will take the numbers from 0 to 9. 0 means clear abacus. 0 means clear abacus. So clear abacus means 0. Okay children. Clear abacus means 0. Done? Now, clear abacus and start. Whenever we start, we first do clear abacus, then we start. So, show me 1 with this finger. 1. Done? Now, again, clear abacus. Show me 2. 2. Done? Clear abacus. Show me 3. Done? Clear abacus. Show me 4. 4. Okay, clear abacus. So see, I am using these two fingers only. I am using these two fingers only. Okay. Now, we will do 5. So, index finger, right? Class 1. Come on, do it fast. I know you all are doing it with me. So, 5. Clear abacus. Next, 6. Together. Done. Clear abacus. 7. Together. Done. Because 5 and 2 beads in the lower bead. So 7, clear abacus. Now 8, done together. So I am moving these two fingers only, using these two fingers only. Clear abacus. Now 9, 9. Okay, clear abacus. So class 1, I hope the points are pretty clear to you all, right? So just keep few things in mind. Parents derkeo bolchi, please go through korben video ta, very important first part because they are learning first time. Okay, it's very easy, prochondo easy. একবার যদি ক্যালকুলেশন, beads, recognition, identification বুঝে যায় তাহলে কোনো প্রবলেম হবে না। ওকে, বিকজ আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি না বাচ্চাদের, তো আপনারা আমাকে একটু সাপোর্ট দেবেন কাইন্ডলি। আমি বারবার বলি এই কথাটা, বিকজ অ্যাবাকাসে যদি স্কেলটা রেকগনাইজ না করতে পারে তাহলে ক্যালকুলেশন সব রং হয়ে যাবে। আজকে খালি আইডেন্টিফিকেশনটা বুঝিয়েছি, কিভাবে করবে, কিভাবে অ্যাডাপ্ট করবে, কোন ফিঙ্গার্স ইউজ করবে। আপনারাও একটু ফলো করবেন। অ্যাবাকাস স্কেল কখনো এরকম ধরবেন না, দ্যাট ইজ রং। অ্যাবাকাস স্কেলকে কিপ ইট অন আ ফ্ল্যাট সারফেস। অলওয়েজ মেক ইউজ অফ ইয়োর হ্যান্ডস অ্যান্ড ফিঙ্গার্স। এই হাতটা, লেফট হ্যান্ডটা, you use it in this way to hold the scale. এই দুটো fingers always straight and these two fingers will be used to hold the scale along with this finger. এই তিনটে finger দিয়ে we will hold the scale and right hand fist after that এইখানে পেন্সিলটা ধরবে। আমি পেন নিয়েছি, আপনারা ওদেরকে এখানে পেন্সিল ধরানো শেখাবেন। And then keep these two fingers free, index or thumb, এই দুটো free, because we need to calculate, we need to use the beads. Done? এবার lower bead এ we will always use this thumb. Lower bead always we will use thumb. Done? Upper bead we will use index for addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction next ক্লাসে বোঝাবো। আগে আজকে অ্যাডিশনটা বোঝালাম। ডান? সো এই ফিঙ্গার দিয়ে প্রত্যেকটা বিড তুলবে লোয়ার বিডে, আর আপার বিডে এই ফিঙ্গারটাই ইউজ হবে, আদারওয়াইজ প্যাটার্ন রং হয়ে যাবে, ভুল শিখবে। ঠিক আছে? সো কাইন্ডলি মেক শিওর যে ওরা ফিঙ্গার্স মুভমেন্টটাকে কারেক্ট করছে, পেন্সিলটা কারেক্ট ধরছে, ফিঙ্গার্স মুভমেন্ট কারেক্ট করছে। Once they hold the pencil like this and they start calculating, they start writing the answer. Again back, again right, back and right. So in this way it goes on. So I have explained everything about abacus scale. I hope The scale is clear. Next class again I will go through few revision about the scale, about the beads, about the calculations, and I will teach you subtraction, how to subtract with the help of fingers. ঠিক আছে? তো আপনারা কাইন্ডলি ওদেরকে এই উইকে এইটাকে প্র্যাকটিস করাবেন। জাস্ট টেক দ্য স্কেল, স্কেলের কী কী লেবেলিং আছে সেটা প্র্যাকটিস করাবেন, আর কিভাবে বিডসগুলো আপ অ্যান্ড ডাউন হচ্ছে সেটা প্র্যাকটিস করাবেন। জাস্ট এই ফিঙ্গার দিয়ে 1 1 1 1 ক্লিয়ার অ্যাবাকাস, প্রত্যেকটা 1 ক্লিয়ার অ্যাবাকাস, 1 ক্লিয়ার অ্যাবাকাস, 1 ক্লিয়ার অ্যাবাকাস, ডান। এবার 5 আপার বিডে ক্লিয়ার অ্যাবাকাস, ডান। 6 টুগেদার clear abacus, 7 together clear abacus, 8 together clear abacus, 9 together clear abacus. ফিঙ্গারটা এরকমই যাবে, 6 হলে এরকম, 7 এরকম, 8 এরকম, and 9 একসাথে চলে আসছে, all the beads together. Okay, so 0 to 9 today I have taught you how to identify the beads, how to draw the beads in your copy or in the book, done. And we have learned how to use the abacus scale. So today till this much. Meet you in the next class.